doing? You all good? So many beautiful faces in the audience tonight, may I say? Even you guys at the back.
Well,
I love you too.
We're about to melody. I'm Andre.
And my name's Charlie.
And we're just so privileged to be here. I want to thank you all so much. And there's so many of you. If I could thank you individually, I would, but I can't, sadly.
It's pretty tough. It'd be pretty tough. So the next song we're going to do for you guys is the song that we did on our semi-final performance. Which is a song called I'll Be Missing You. If you guys know the words, then sing along.
Everyone needs to watch out. When I pray to the Lord, on my mind is you, and all of the pretty things you used to do. Like when I was young, you just had this smile that made me feel like everything's worth it. But then that girl, she just dropped so low. Trouble in her life and nowhere to go. Hurting so bad, she feels so sad. Blames herself for all the trouble she's had. Looking in the mirror, she don't like what she sees. Crying on her own, but she feels like a disease. All of her friends say that she's okay, but the pain that she feels won't go away. If I saw her, I would change her stars, make her laugh with the melody and rock. Give anything to hear accurate. I know she's still living in a life
step I take, every move I make,
yeah.
Every single day, every time I pray, I'm missing you. Thinking of the day,
Thinking of the day
when you went away. What a life to take, what a